Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mavish Khalid and I am your maths teacher. I welcome you all. The Crescent School Mathematics Lesson Class 5. Today we are going to discuss about percentage. This is a sign of percentage. This is also. So today we are going to discuss about percentage and how we can use it and what are the uses of percentage. We will discuss it. But before that, I would like to share the objectives of the day. By the end of the day, the students will be able to describe the meaning of percentage, identify how to convert percentage into fraction, convert fractions into percentage. You all mostly hear about sales. Sometimes it may be 20% sale, maybe 50% sale, maybe 70% sale. And what is meant by percent? As you can see the sign of the percentage, 20%. So how to deal with percentage, we are going to discuss it today. But before that, you must clear that what is percentage? Percentage means per 100 pieces of anything, which is one way of specifying the fraction of a complete whole. Percent means out of 100. For example, 3% means 3 out of 100, 30% means 30 out of 100, 50% means 50 out of 100. 100 is the total amount and every percentage is calculated out of 100. For example, if you look at this grid, this box, it has many other boxes as well. So if you want to count these color boxes, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15 boxes are colored. A way of presenting a fraction with the denominator of 100, as you can see that there are 100 boxes and out of 100 there are 15 boxes are colored. Look at the boxes and count how many boxes are colored. 15 boxes are colored. It means 15% of the boxes are colored. So what is meant by 15%? Means 15 boxes are colored out of 100. Again look at this grid. There are 100 boxes and out of 100 there are 15 boxes are colored with green. So we can say that 15% of the boxes are colored. Another example, there are 100 boxes in one box. Look at the box and count how many boxes are colored. So you can count it. There are 20 boxes that are colored. So we can say that 20% of the box is colored. As you can see, there are 100 boxes, but only 20 boxes are colored. So we can say that 20% of the box is colored. What is meant by 20%? 20% means 20 per 100. So we can say that 20% of this box is green. Now, percentage. How to change percentage into fraction. We have learned in detail about the fractions. Now, how you can convert the percentage into fractions. A percentage is a special fraction. The percentage sign, this is the percentage sign. If you can look at the cursor is roaming around the percentage sign. Says per 100. For example, 47% is simply another way of writing the fraction. 47 over 100. We can almost see the 100 in the percentage sign. How? This is a percentage sign. The 1 in the middle, this is the notes 0, these zeros. Right? So you can easily see the 100 in the percentage sign. So what is meant by 7%? It means 7 out of 100. 19% means 19 out of 100. 83% means 83 out of 100. And what is meant by 99%? 99 out of 100. So this is the method at how you can convert the percentage into fraction. So to write a percentage as a fraction, you simply put it over 100 like this. 24 equals to 24 over 100. Yes, but remember to try to write the fraction in its simplest form or simplest term. And I know all of you know that how to convert the fraction in its simplest term. For example, 24% equals to 24 over 100. Then it becomes 12 over 50. Then it becomes 6 over 25. How? Look at the example. Convert the percentage into fraction. Yes, 24. First of all, you have to write the fraction over 100. Right? Because 24% means 24 out of 100. Now, as you can see on the ones place, both the digits are even. It means both of them are divisible by 2. Divide it. Its answer is 12 over 50. Again, both the digits at ones place are divisible by 2. So again divide it with 2 and its answer becomes 6 over 25. Now, converting fractions to percentage. It is very much easy to convert percentage into fraction. Now we are starting another topic, that converting fraction to percentage. These are the steps. Write the fraction. If it has 100 as denominator, just write it as percentage. For example, 25 over 100. This is a question that how you can write it into percentage. If you look at the denominator is 100, it means you just have to write 25%. Another example, 65 over 100. As you can see, the denominator is 100. It means the answer is 65%. Another example, 78 over 100. Again, the denominator is 100. It means you just write the percentage as 78%. But sometimes fraction may have different denominators except 100. It may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 20, it may be 25. Then how you can convert that fraction into percentage? These are the steps. Write the fraction. Multiply by 100. So what you have to do? Now the denominator is different. So what you will do? You will multiply by 100%. Simplify if required. Look at the example. Now the denominator is 40. So how you can convert it into percentage? So you will multiply 8 over 40 with 100. And I know most of you know that how you can multiply it. It's just like the multiplication of fraction with a whole number. Numerator will multiply with whole number and denominator as it is. 8 multiplied by 100 over 40. 8 multiplied by 100, its answer is 800 and 40 as it is. And if you want to divide it, you can divide it, or you can use the cancellation method as well. Right? Divide 800 with 40 and its answer is 20%. Another example. 3/10, it's a fraction. So in order to write the answer into percentage, so you have to multiply fraction with 100. 3/10 multiplied by 100%. 3 multiplied by 100, its answer is 300. So in order to multiply 3 with 100, its answer is 300, right? 3 multiplied by 100, its answer is 300% over 10. So when you simplify it or use the cancellation method, its answer will be 30%, right? So this is the method that how you can convert the fraction into percentage. First of all, you have to write the fraction, then multiply it with 100%, multiply numerator with numerators and the denominator as it is, and then simplify it, and its answer will be 30%. So this is the method that how you can convert the fraction into percentage. This is your assignment. Page number 157. Question number 1, part A, B, C, D, E and F. Question number 2, part A, B, C, and you have to do all these questions on your notebook. Thank you everyone.